I was stuck by removing this orange color and also this handle here. But I think I just figured it out by taking down this one screw and this two screws. See if we can do anything. So dirty. Okay, I just pull this plate, this piece of thing, as you can see, like this. Not sure if this piece is gonna separate from here. I'm gonna try, because I think it gets to yeah, I don't know this piece how to I think my sticky thing is this plate. I think this plate can come off. This guy is the one that's holding it. Not sure how to turn this guy here. Not sure if whether he can turn or not. This screw is to lock the chain. So I'm not sure what this piece is. Okay. This red handle is my final. This red thing handle is not giving way because there's this one knot hidden behind this one here. Okay, that's why this orange color cover is not getting off. So I have to unscrew exhaust, which is going in this way with the 3 knots. As you can see, the 3 long screws here, and then with the 3 knots. At the end of this exhaust, once I remove these 3 knots and take out this exhaust, separate the exhaust from the engine, and then I can get to this thing, this cover here. There's a hidden knot here, and then I can start continue my teardown. So here we go. As you can see, it's coming out. You see? So this is coming out. Now I can get to my here we go. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, so right here I can get to this. You know, get to this final knot here. Let's see if we can let's see what binds this It does not look like any nuts in here, so I'm just gonna try to pull this rubber out of there. Okay, there's no screw to turn out. There's no screw. All I have to do is just pry this rubber out of here, and that's it. As you can see, it's out. It's out. That's it. You know, so I got this red orange handle totally separated from this hole here. Total success. Okay, now this red handle is coming out. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, this right handle is not, it's coming out, but then you got that middle thing where the carburetor is connected to here, to there, and also the black wire is connected to there. So I'm not sure I want to take this rubber thing out because I don't think I can take it out anyway. So maybe the thing to do is to push that black rubber hose back because it's connected to that thing there. And then yeah, I thought this red handle is gonna come out easily, but I guess not. Because it's connected to this big black hose. You know, this carburetor is actually connected to this big black hose. I know. I don't need to mess around. All I need to do is take this screw out, and this carburetor, I think I can take it out. I think that's my problem. I did too much. Anyway, so let me do that. Need the open wrench to get to these two. Okay. Two screws are coming out. I took out these two, but I still can't move this guy. And it's connected in the back. So I am stuck. It looks like something, I need to do something with this. Let's see if I can pry these thing out of there. Yeah. Alright, so at least I pry this one open. Not sure what it is, but at least I got one open. What about these two? Oh ho ho ho. Yeah, I got that open too. There we go. Wow, so dirty, look. Just gonna clean this up a little bit later, but you can see all that is completely covered with dust. Let me see if I can get this guy to back off. Probably not gonna be as easy. At least I got these two guys out. And I just have that bottom one. And this one. Oh, it's coming out. Yeah, look. Ah, yes. Yes. Yes, you see? See? I don't know what's holding this thing back. It's the black thing. Okay, I'm going to push this back because I don't think I need. After all this, I don't think I need this rubber handle to come out like this. So, got to push it back in again. Okay. Go. That'd be the best.